All right, so this is May 2016, and we start out by 2A says factorize completely. I is the difference of two squares. Very easy to factorize. First, you have to ask yourself what. Ooh, all right, so we jump the gun a little. We jump the gun a little. All right, and can I tell you how I knew something was wrong? The 2 marks. If it was just a straightforward factorize by grouping, it should have been 1 mark. The 2 mark let me know that something was wrong. The first step in any factorization is to see if there's a common factor, and the common factor is 4. 4 into 4a squared is a squared, and 4 into 16 is 4. That's step 1. A squared minus 4 is the difference of two squares. So this is 4 into what multiplied by itself gives you a squared, that is a. What multiplied by itself gives you 4, that is 2. One side plus, the other side minus. All right? So that's the first one. So you have to be careful. Don't just jump because something appears to be something. You understand? Ensure you look carefully. All right. Next, we're asked to factorize 3y squared plus 2y minus 8. So this is a quadratic expression. I'm going to use the ABC method. A, C is 3 times minus 8, which is minus 24. B is 2. I need two numbers. When I multiply them together, I get negative 24. When I add the same two numbers together, I get a positive 2. Those two numbers are positive 6 and negative 4. When I multiply those two numbers together, I get negative 24. When I add those same two numbers together, I get a positive 2. So I'm going to use those two numbers to split the middle term into 3y squared minus 4y plus 6y minus 8. Then I'm going to factorize by grouping. Over the left-hand side, y is common. Y into 3y squared is 3y. Y into 4y is 4. To the right, 2 is common. 2 into 6y is 3y. 2 into 8 is 4. 3y minus 4 is common. So I'm going to have 3y minus 4. And in the next bracket, I'm going to have y plus 2. All right. The B part of the question now is asking us to solve the simultaneous equation. Now I'm going to use the method of elimination. It is possible to either eliminate x or y, but when I'm going to, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to eliminate y. To eliminate y, the number in front of y must be the same in both equations. Right now they are different. To get them to be the same, I'm going to multiply equation 1 by the number in front of y in equation 2. So I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 2. 2 2's are 4. 2 times y is 2y, and 2 times 3 is 6. So this is equation 1 multiplied by 2. So equation 1 times 2. All right, equation 1 multiplied by 2. Then I'm going to multiply equation 2 by the number in front of y in equation 1, which is 1. When you multiply something by 1, it remains the same. So this is 5x minus 2y is equal to 12. So equation 2 multiplied by 1. Next, I'm at the point now where I'm going to eliminate y. To eliminate y, I'm either going to add the two equations or subtract them. If the signs of y are the same, I would subtract. the signs of y are different, as in this case, I'm going to add the two equations. So 4x plus 5x is 9x, is equal to 6 plus 12, which is 18. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 9, and that is going to give me x is equal to 2. Then I'm going to substitute this value of x into any of the two original equations. I'm going to use equation 1, which says 2x plus y is equal to 3. But x is 2, so this is 2 times 2 plus y is equal to 3. 4 plus y is equal to 3. Positive 4 goes over and becomes negative, so I'm getting y is equal to 3 minus 4. Y is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 are the solution of the simultaneous equations. All right, so last part of the question. The last part of the question is on variation. And by now you should remember that a variation question has a 4-step flow. We're told now that the table below shows corresponding values of the variables x and y, where y varies directly as x. So y varies directly as x translates into y is equal to k multiplied by x. That is step 1. Then I'm going to be given a value of x and y so that I can find k. So that I can calculate k. Y is equal to 3 when x is 6. So y is 3 when x is equal to 6. I got that from the table. So I'm going to have 3 is equal to k multiplied by 6. Divide both sides by 6 to leave k by itself. So now I have k is equal to a half. 3 over 6 is equal to 1 over 2. K is a half. So that's step 2. Step 3, I must rewrite the equation and put in this value of this new value of k. So now I have y is equal to k, which is a half x. Now step 4, I'm either going to be given a value of x to find y, as in when x is equal to 10, y is u. So I can put that in. U is equal to a half of x, which is 10. U is equal to a half of x, which is 10. So u, if I can like to write y, u is equal to 5. Rewrite the equation. I have y is equal to a half x. Now, y is equal to 9 when x is equal to t. So I have 9 is equal to a half t. So therefore, this is same as saying 9 over 1 is equal to t over 2. Then I'm going to cross multiply. T is equal to 2 times 9, which is 18. All right. And of course, that marks the end of the question.
Sir.